Okay guys, so today we have a box from Meccha, Japan. Thank you Meccha, Japan for sending me this. So because I like My Melody and Hello Kitty, so these are two things that I'm gonna show you today, okay? And we have a lot of pretty cute stuff. So the first one, this one is a Hello Kitty plushie. So you can see it's all from Japan. I've never been to Japan before, so hopefully we can manifest a trip to Japan. And oh my god, it is so cute. Now the thing is, I have one over here from Japan too, sent over from Japan, and maybe I think it goes well together. And you can see it's very soft. Then Hello Kitty has her little tail. Let's show you something, My Melody. Okay. Now this is the first time I'm opening this, okay? So we have a little My Melody keychain. It all comes with the Sanrio original label. So you have the Melody keychain, then her little friend over here. I still don't know what's her friend's name. And then she always has this little rat over here, which is very cute. You can use it to hang onto your bag, onto your pencil case, anything you like. Okay, then next I'm gonna show you something Hello Kitty. Switch it around a little bit. Okay, this one, this pouch. I literally saw this in the Sanrio store in Singapore, and they sell it like super expensive. So I'm very happy to get this. And this is an original Hello Kitty pouch. You got the Hello Kitty tag. Okay, at the back you can actually hang this onto your backpack. This will be the extra pouch for that. And then inside, there's a Hello Kitty inside. Initially I thought this one is a plushie, but turns out it's just like a divider, so you can put stuff inside here. Okay. And then it's very soft too, this Hello Kitty. Can you take it out? I don't think you can take it out. Okay, let's not pluck it because I'm scared I'll break it. There's a second compartment over here to put your handphones. Love this so much. Okay, then something My Melody. See if there's something My Melody. Okay. Now the last one is a super surprise for me, and I'll show you that at the end, okay? This one is a... Wait, what's this? This is a cable, My Melody cable organizer. Yep, you can see. It's like a cable organizer. Because my cables are kinda messy on my desk, so I'm gonna use this to organize my cable, okay? Let's see how it looks like. It's bigger than I expected actually, because I thought it's gonna be small. And it kind of looks like a pop socket. So what you can do is that if you wanna organize all your messy cables, okay, you can just wrap it up like this. Okay, so that it doesn't make your desk messy. And then you can actually clip it onto this compartment over here. Lock it in like that. Okay, and then look at it. Okay, this last item, okay. Initially when I requested for this item, I thought it's gonna be like this size. And then when it came, I'm like, it's as big as my home's rubbish bin. Look at that. So over here you have the Sanrio label. Oh, look at how big, like literally like it. I might not put this on my desk, then I would put it in my bedroom so that like it can be used as a mini rubbish bin. So when you want to throw your rubbish and all that, you just open like this. Okay, it can store so many stuff. Store your plushie. Okay, a lot of stuff. Just close it like that. And it's so cute too. And you have the melody all around the container. I love it so much. It's too beautiful to be used as a rubbish bin. I might think of something to use this for. Give me an idea, what should I use this for? I'll put the links to all these items in the description below. So if you want more of my melody videos, I'll put one over here somewhere on the screen so you can check it out. So with that, study hard. Talk to you in the next video. Bye.